In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add services to a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, go to the Facebook business page that you want to update. If you are currently viewing your personal Facebook profile, switch over to your business page so you can manage its settings and information. After you are on the correct business page, look near the top of the page for the About tab. Click on About to open the section where Facebook stores your page details and business information. This area includes the main details people can see when they visit your page, including your services if that feature is available for your page category. Inside the About section, move to the left sidebar. There, find and click Services. This will open the Services area for your business page. In this section, you will be able to describe the services your business offers so visitors can quickly understand what you provide. Next, locate the field labeled Specialties and Services. Click into that field to begin editing. Then type in the services your business provides. Be clear and accurate when entering this information. You can list the main services that are most relevant to your customers and that best represent your business. Once you have entered your services, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the wording is correct, the services are listed the way you want them to appear, and there are no spelling mistakes or missing details. This quick review helps make sure your page looks professional and gives visitors the right information. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. Facebook will then update your business page with the service information you added. After saving, confirm that your services are now displayed in the Services section of your Facebook business page. This final check is important because it lets you verify that the information was saved properly and is visible to people visiting your page. If you do not see the update right away, refresh the page and check the Services section again. In some cases, it may take a moment for the changes to appear. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.